Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some ground beef and beans in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I have a pound of lean ground beef here that I already put in the slow cooker, broke it up and spread it out a little bit. Now you could brown that first in a frying pan if you wanted to, but I just don't have much room, so I'm just going to do it the easy way here. So I'm seasoning this with some kosher salt. Alright, a little bit of that, and then a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. We'll just sprinkle in a bit of that. And then 2 cans of pork and beans. These are 15-ounce cans. So get both of those in there. Alright, there we are. And 1 small onion that I cut up here. Okay. That in there, and then a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. So I'm just going to sprinkle in a little bit. Maybe, I don't know, so eyeball a little bit. This has some vinegar, so it'll give it some tanginess. Maybe like, I don't know, a tablespoon or so of that. And then some barbecue sauce. This is Kinder's mild barbecue sauce. I'm just going to squeeze some of that in there. I don't know how much. Just kind of eyeball it a little bit. We'll say that maybe, I don't know, 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup. Just kind of add a little and taste it, you know, see how you like it. Some people like it sweeter than others, so, you know, just kind of eyeball it like that. Now we'll just get everything mixed together here, and we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high till everything looks cooked. If you do on low, it'll probably take twice as long, about twice as long. It's been 3 hours. This smells good. Let's see how it looks. That looks pretty good to me. I'll stir it up a little bit and I'll grab a bowl and we'll try it out. Stir this up a little bit. Smells really good. That's the thing about cooking in the crock pot. It always makes the house smell great. Alright, I let this cool off a little bit. Made a little cornbread in my toaster oven to go with it. Let's try a bite here. That's good, good flavor. It's kind of sweet, kind of tangy. Although the onions are still a little bit crunchy, so if you like them softer, you're gonna have to let it cook a little bit longer. That was 3 hours on high. Annie must like the smell of this, man. She's dancing around all over the place. Got a nice chunk of meat I picked out of there for her. Boy, she inhaled that. Well, that worked out good, cooking the ground beef in the pot like that. And I usually find the leanest ground beef I can find, like the 93% lean stuff. And I didn't stir it up that much because I like having, you know, bigger sized chunks, kind of like the piece I gave Annie. Annie likes those too. Anyway, I'll write all the ingredients in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.